Hello dear student, welcome back to your online class. This is your subject teacher of English from LPM Public School situated Kolabachar, Gorakhpur. Student, today's video we are going to learn the whole story of chapter 12. Student, we have already learned the half parts of this story in our previous video. So let's start the story of chapter number 12. So student, for that, you all take out your New Gems English Reader book and open chapter number 12. So student, we have already learned the half part of this story. Now again I am going to explain one by one this story to you. So here is the story about a rabbit. Okay, rabbit is a toy rabbit made of sawdust and cloth. Shy and lonely, ignored by the smarter and newer toys, he lies forgotten in boy's toy cupboard. In his heart, he dreamed of becoming real. One day, boy find him, and soon their love and friendship grow. And rabbit learns exactly how a toy becomes real. Read this extract from the beloved American classic, The Velveteen Rabbit, to find out how. So here is as you can see, there is a rabbit who wants to be real. Okay, so let's the story of this Velveteen Rabbit. For a long time he lived in a toy cupboard. Okay, as you can see, there is a rabbit who lived in a cupboard in a long time. Okay, for a long time he lived in a toy cupboard and no one paid much attention to him. He was naturally shy, and because he was only made of velveteen, some of the more expensive toys ignored him. Okay, the mechanical toys looked down upon everyone else. They were full of modern ideas and pretended they were real. The model boat would not even bother to speak to him. Even Timothy the wooden lion let Rabbit know that he was too important to be his friend. Between them all, the poor rabbit, the little rabbit, felt very insignificant. The only person who was kind to him at all was the rocking horse. Okay, next, the rocking horse had lived longer in the nursery than any of the others. He was so old that his brown coat was black in patches, and most of the hairs in his tail had been pulled out to string bead necklace. He was wise, for he had seen many toys come and go, and he knew that there were only toys and would never turn into anything else. What is real? So student, we have learned in the story that there was a rabbit who wants to be real, and he lived in a cupboard. Okay, he lived in a toy cupboard and no one pay attention on him, so that's why he was very absent. So one time the rocking horse, who lived longer in the nursery than any of others, so he was so old that his brown coat was black in patches and most of the hairs in his tail had been pulled out to string that necklace. He was wise, for he had seen many toys comes and goes, and he knew that they were only toys and would never turn into anything else. So the rabbit asked to the rocking horse that what is real. Okay, what is real? Asked rabbit one day. So when they were lying side by side, when this rabbit and rocking horse are lying side by side, so that time the rabbit asking to the rocking horse that what is real. So that time rocking horse replied that real isn't how you are mad. It is not important that how you are mad, said the rocking horse to rabbit. It's a thing that happens to you when a child loves you for a long time, not just to play with, but really loves you. Then you become real. The rocking horse replied to rabbit when rabbit asked to rocking horse that what is real. So that time rocking horse telling to him that there is no importance that how You are mad. It's happened to you when a child loves you for a long, long time, not just because he wants to play with you, but really loves you, then you become real. So that time Rabbit again said, does it hurt? So Rocking Horse replied that sometimes said the Rocking Horse, for he was always truthful. Does it happen all at once? Rabbit asked, or beat by beat? So Rocking Horse replied, it doesn't happen all at once, said the Rocking Horse. You become it takes a long time, that's why it doesn't happen often to toy who breaks easily or have sharp edges or who have to be carefully kept. Generally, by the time you are real, most of your hairs has been lopped off and your eyes drop out and you get very savvy. The Rocking Horse telling to the rabbit that time you become real when most of your hairs has been lopped off and your eyes drop out and you get very shabby. So but these things don't matter at all, because once you are real you can't be ugly except to people who don't understand. So that time when Rocking Horse telling this all things to Rabbit, so that time Rabbit said to the Rocking Horse that I suppose you are real, said the rabbit. The Rocking Horse smiled. Boy's uncle loved me and that made me real, he said. That was many years ago, but once you are real, you can't become unreal again. It lasts forever. The rabbit sighed. He longed to become real, to know what it felt like, and at the idea of growing shabby and losing his eyes and whisker was rather sad. He wished that he could become real without these uncomfortable things happening to him. Now the next, there was a person called Nana. There was a person called Nana. It is a word Nana. It means nursemaid. Okay. There was a person called Nana who ruled the nursery. Sometimes she took no notice of the playing things lying about, and sometimes, for no reason whatever, she went sweeping about like a great wind and hustled them away in cupboards. She called this tidying up, and the playthings all hated it. One evening, when the boy was going to bed, he couldn't find the toy dog. As you see, there is a boy who always carried his dog when he going to bed. So that time, one evening, when boy was going to bed, he couldn't find the toy dog that always slept with him. Nana was in a hurry, and it was too much trouble to hunt for toy dogs at bedtime. So she simply picked up the nearest toy. Okay, she simply picked up the nearest toy and said to the boy that, here, take your old bunny. He can sleep with you. And she dragged Rabbit out by one ear and put him into boy's arm. So that night, and for many nights after, the Velveteen Rabbit slept in boy's. That night, and for many nights after, the Velveteen Rabbit slept in boy's bed. At first he found it rather uncomfortable, for boy hugged him very tight and sometimes he rolled over on him. When the rabbit slept with the boy hugged him very tightly and sometimes he rolled over on him. But very soon he grew to like it, for boy used to talk to him and made nice tunnels for him under the bedclothes that he said were like the burrows the real rabbits lived in, and they had splendid games together in whisper. When Nana had left after putting boy to bed, and so time went on, and the little rabbit was very happy, so happy that he never noticed how his beautiful velveteen fur was getting savvier and savvier, and his tail becoming unseen. Next, and all the pink rubber off his nose where boy had kissed him. Okay, spring came and they had long days in the garden, for Wherever boy went, rabbit went too. He had rides in the wheelbarrow and picnics on the grass at once. When boy was called away suddenly to go out to tea, rabbit was left out on the lawn until long after dusk, and Nana had to come and look for him with a candle because boy couldn't go to sleep unless he was there. You must have your old bunny, she said. Fancy all that fuss for a toy. Boy sat up in the bed and stretched out his hand. Give me my bunny, he said. You must not say that. He isn't a toy, he's real. When little rabbit heard that, he was happy, for he knew that what the rocking horse had said was true at least. Okay, true at last. He was a toy no longer, he was real. Boy himself had said it. That night he was almost too happy to sleep, and so much love filled his little saddest heart that is almost burst. From the Velveteen Rabbit by Marjorie Williams. Okay. So students, we have to read this story and we learn that the Velveteen Rabbit is cool with its thought. Most of the toys in the nursery don't talk to him, but the wise old skin horse tells him all about what it's like to be real. See, when a child loves you for a really long time and play with you and wears you out, then you become real. The rabbit's not too sure about the whole getting worn out part, but he would really like to be real someday. One night, Nana, the lady in charge of the nursery, gave the boy the Velveteen Rabbit to sleep with. After that, the boy and rabbit becomes best friend. The rabbit's fur starts to wear and his semen are coming apart from too much love, but doesn't mind. One day the boy tells Nana that his rabbit isn't a toy, he's real. The rabbit is super excited. He's finally achieved real status. The rabbit took a lot of flack for being a stuffed toy. He wasn't fancy like the other toy in the nursery, and he couldn't run and skip and jump like the rabbit in the garden. The rabbit learned to ignore the people who hated on him and to value his friendship with the boy and the skin horse. Okay student, so in this story we have to learn about the a story of a dream of a rabbit who wants to become real, and finally how could he becomes real, we have to learn in this story. So student, I hope you all enjoying this story very much. Okay, so that's it for today. I will explain the exercises of this chapter in my next video. So till then, stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you.